Akala ko lahat tabi-tabi tayo, magkakalayo pala.
Eh, gano'n na pa pala natin, sige.
Masit ka, Michael ka.
Woo! Hot air balloon!
We're about to go, hi. Guys,
Woo!
guys,
Yes!
guys.
Uy, takot na isa doon!
Ano kaya siya? Ba't ka nakatago na dyan? Oh, nagtatago na yung isa. But I've always wanted to do this.
Pero hindi ito yung traditional na hot air balloon kasi
Mangingi
meron
na lang ako sa'yo ng ano, Micah.
Ha?
Ay!
Nang?
Mangingi na lang ako ng video sa'yo.
No problem.
Magla-live ako.
Sure. Ooh!
Okay, good now. We can release your hands. You're fine.
Okay. So we can go together?
Yes.
Okay.
You can go.
Pwede na rin tayo. Halika na dito.
Wait, we're going up. We're in the hot air balloon.
Halika na. Halika na. Dito ka.
It's very high. No way.
Takot dito. Halika na. Oh. Halika dito.
Parang ano to
Halika.
eh. You know in Shrek movie, Donkey, don't look down. Sabi ni Donkey, Shrek, I'm
Tingin
looking
dito.
down. I'm not gonna look down.
Ah! Takot na takot to.
Oh my God, my feet is ticklish.
Ah!
Huwag kang mahalikot.
Huwag kang mahalikot.
But it's very beautiful up here. Huwag lang tumingin sa baba. I cannot. My feet is ticklish.
Oo.
I cannot.
Kinto. Takot siya.
Wow! We're going up, my friend.
We'll see how's the wind and we're looking from 150 up to 250 meters.
So how many meter is this now?
This one is 66 now.
Still 66?
Yeah.
Oh my God, Lord Jesus, help me.
Don't ask about the height, just enjoy the view.
Yes, ang taas. Wait,
trying,
tumayo ka.
Girl, ganito na lang.
Ang
girl,
ganda
oh.
ng Petra, bilis. Oh.
Saan ang Petra?
Hindi, tumingin ka na lang doon, huwag ka na tumingin sa baba.
Oh,
Ayan.
saan ang Petra na?
Ito. Lahat ito.
Ito na yung lalakarin natin.
Wadi Musa to daw.
Yun yung lalakarin natin.
Ng 5 hours?
Inshallah.
I cannot.
Oh.
Aganan! Nalambot ang tuhod ko.